Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe of methi paratha. This is a very simple recipe, very easy to make. My kids love to have this as breakfast, especially during winters. Serve this paratha hot along with curd and achar. It's very easy to make. Let's start making it. I am going to take one small size onion and I am going to chop it finely and add it to a bowl. Also going to take 6 to 7 pieces of garlic. I am going to chop it finely as well and add it. Now here I have taken one green chili and 1 spoon of cumin seed and chopped the green chilies and crushed it together, adding this to the bowl as well. Also adding 1 cup of fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. Fenugreek leaves or methi is also very beneficial in managing diabetes. Now I am going to add 1 cup of flour, whole wheat atta flour or whichever flour you prefer at home. Going to add salt to taste. Now I am going to knead a dough with water. The dough is similar to the one you make daily for chapati or roti. So once you are satisfied by kneading the dough, you can add some oil and then knead it again. The addition of oil helps to make the dough soft and also prevents it from hardening. Now I am going to cover it with a cotton towel and let it rest for around 20 minutes. After the dough is nicely rested, I am going to start making the chapati or the paratha. For this I am going to take a medium sized ball and roll out. Now I am going to add 1 spoon of oil and fold it as shown here. And roll it like this. Now I am going to again roll it into a chapati or paratha. This recipe is very simple. It's not tricky at all. It's just same as making roti. Now once you are satisfied with the size of the paratha, you can transfer it into a hot tawa and start making parathas. If you are making this for kids, do add plenty amount of ghee. Roast both the sides nicely and serve. Serve them hot along with curd or pickle or any gravy you prefer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.